On May 31st, 2011, Intact Financial Corporation announced that it is acquiring the Canadian operations of Paris-based AXA Group for $2.6 billion. Intact said the deal is expected to generate an internal rate of return of 20% and will see the insurer's direct premiums written increase by $2 billion to more than $6.5 billion, cementing the insurer's strong position in the Canadian P&C insurance market. ILStv spoke with Louis Gagnon, president of Intact Insurance, about the acquisition and what it means for Intact and other Canadian insurers.
Well, I think we bought a company that has a lot of similarities with us. Same vision about the future, a lot of the same values regarding the way we should do business, great financial performance. So we were, I would say, two of the best company in the market. So joining force will make us, I would say, an even stronger company. So this is, I would say, that I think it's going to have an impact for sure on the Canadian market. I think it's going to bring the other players to be even better also. So I think it's going to create a lot of a great positive dynamic in the industry. We've been saying for a while that there was going to be consolidation in the market, and this is one of the, I would say, one of the signs that consolidation is happening there. There's probably going to be more. We'll see, but again, I think it puts us in an excellent position in joining, as I said, two companies that have a lot of similarities and a lot of the same vision.
Intact is preparing for the integration, having formed 11 task forces comprised of management from various departments at both Intact and AXA Canada in order to plan for a seamless integration for brokers and customers. Louis says Intact's broker distribution will not be changed.
There's not going to be any change in our distribution. To the contrary, I think it kind of increased our reach, makes us present in some areas that we were not, and makes our product available to consumer through more brokers in the market. So that's why I think we have no intention of changing our broker, the broker we're dealing with Intact or with AXA, and we will do as smooth a transition as possible. That's why we're working at integrating the two business to make sure that for brokers it will be as seamless as possible during the transition period.
Through the acquisition of AXA Canada, Intact's reach will expand. Louis explains that there are different types of risk diversification possible because of the transaction.
The key factors of that acquisition, or what was really interesting, is that it gives really Intact the possibility of doing quite a great diversification of risk. And that diversification just doesn't come geographically. We are improving our position in BC. We are improving our position in Quebec. We are improving our position in the Atlantic. The other aspect of the diversification that also key is that AXA had more commercial line business in percentage than us. They are in commercial line in things that we have always, or that we're not there before, mainly because of expertise. And so in purchasing and acquiring AXA, we also acquire a lot of great expertise that comes with a very healthy portfolio, and a chance also to diversify our business more into commercial line. So geographic diversification for sure, but most importantly, expertise and product diversification.
Intact is now waiting for the deal to be approved by regulators, but Louis says there's plenty to do in the meantime.
So regulatory approval should usually take between, it's a bit difficult. It's the summer, and between 60 and 120 days. But I think it's the time that we have now to discuss, prepare all the work that's going to have to be done when we have the regulatory approval. And there's a lot of work to be done. I mean, there's a lot of stuff to reconcile. There's a lot of things to evaluate. The operation is really to try to keep the best of both operations and try to make it one at the end of the day. So So our expectation is that within 18 months, we will have one system, IT system, one platform. We will share locations all across the country. We will have the same salary and benefit package for employees. So really, this is I would say the highlight of the transition there.